Spectrum Mobile, like many carriers, locks devices to its network to prevent use on competing services. This is a common practice in the mobile industry. Device locking involves software restrictions that tie your phone to Spectrum's network. This is implemented through the device's unique IMEI number, which is programmed during activation. Carriers lock devices primarily to subsidize the cost of the phone through service contracts. It also prevents customers from switching to competing networks and encourages longer-term loyalty. For you as a customer, this means you cannot simply insert a SIM card from another provider like Verizon or AT&T and use the phone. The device will reject SIMs from competing networks until it is properly unlocked. Before attempting to unlock your phone, you need to confirm eligibility. As of September 2025, Spectrum Mobile generally requires the device to be fully paid off, meaning no remaining payments on an installment plan. The account must be in good standing, with no outstanding bills. This ensures you have fulfilled all financial obligations to Spectrum. The device must have been active on the Spectrum network for at least 30 days. This waiting period helps prevent premature unlocks. Devices reported as lost, stolen, or involved in fraudulent activity are ineligible for unlocking. These restrictions protect against misuse. Always check your account status before proceeding to ensure you meet all eligibility requirements. First, log in to the Spectrum My Account portal via the website or app. Navigate to the Devices section and select the phone you wish to unlock. Look for an Unlock Device option and submit the request. You'll likely need to provide your IMEI number and account details. After submitting, wait for confirmation, typically via email or app notification. Once approved, follow the on-screen prompts to enter the unlock code or reset the SIM lock on your device. Note, Spectrum streamlined its online unlock portal in early 2025 for easier access. If you're encountering problems unlocking your Spectrum mobile device, here are some common troubleshooting steps to help resolve the issue. First, double-check that you meet all eligibility criteria. Ensure your device is fully paid off, your account is in good standing with no outstanding bills, the device has been active for at least 30 days, and there are no reports of fraudulent activity. If issues persist, contact Spectrum Mobile customer support directly through their My Account portal or app. Navigate to the Devices section, submit an unlock request, and have your account information ready. Make sure you have your device's IMEI number ready when contacting support. This unique identifier is essential for processing unlock requests. You can find it on your device settings or packaging. Remember, FCC regulations require carriers to process unlock requests within 2 business days as of August 2025. If you experience delays beyond this timeframe, escalate the issue with Spectrum customer support or file a formal complaint with the FCC. One final tip: always use official methods to avoid voiding your warranty or risking device damage from unauthorized unlocking attempts. The Federal Communications Commission plays a crucial role in regulating device unlocking policies. The FCC oversees mobile carriers to ensure fair practices in device locking and unlocking. Recent FCC mandates from 2024 require carriers to unlock devices for free once eligibility requirements are met. These rules are designed to promote competition and give consumers more choice in mobile providers. The FCC classifies device unlocking as a fair use right, not a violation of copyright or terms of service. Staying informed about FCC regulations helps consumers understand their rights and ensures carriers comply with these standards. This infographic illustrates key FCC rulings on device unlocking and compliance requirements. When comparing unlocked and locked phones, there are several key benefits to unlocking your Spectrum mobile device. An unlocked phone gives you the freedom to switch carriers for better rates, coverage, or features. For example, you might switch to a carrier like T-Mobile for lower data costs or Verizon for superior coverage in your area. Additionally, unlocked phones typically sell for higher prices on resale markets, adding $15 to $20 billion annually to the economy, according to FCC estimates. However, there are important considerations before unlocking. First, ensure the new carrier supports your phone's technology. Spectrum uses CDMA, while some carriers like AT&T use GSM. Also, be aware that unauthorized unlocking methods can void your device warranty or even damage the phone. To avoid these risks, always use Spectrum's official unlock methods through their portal or app. This ensures your device remains protected and compliant with FCC regulations. The trend is toward greater openness in the mobile market. BYOD, bring your own device programs are increasing in popularity. The adoption of eSIM technology simplifies unlocking. Experts predict a significant portion of new devices will ship unlocked due to FCC pressure and industry self-regulation. The rise of AI-driven unlock tools may further automate the process, reducing wait times. Keep an eye on these developments for a more flexible mobile experience. A crucial warning: avoid unauthorized unlocking methods. Using third-party software services can void your warranty or brick your device, rendering it unusable. Unauthorized methods can lead to serious risks, including voiding your warranty, bricking the device, creating security vulnerabilities, and potential legal issues. Instead, stick to Spectrum's official unlocking process through their My Account portal or customer service. This ensures FCC compliance and protects your device from potential damage or security vulnerabilities. Always prioritize the approved and safe route to unlock your Spectrum mobile phone. Legitimate methods ensure compliance and protect your device from damage.